I'm going to tell you exactly how to spy on your competitors with Google Ads. Maybe you're curious about the messaging they're using or whether or not they're testing new ad formats. There's a simple way to peek behind the curtain and see exactly what ads your competitors are showing to your potential customers. It's called the Google Ads Transparency Center, and it's like a library of ads from verified advertisers. This free tool lets you see which ads any company is running, where the ads are being shown, and the different kinds of formats they're using. Before taking you through the Google Ads library, as is colloquially known, why should you spy on your competitors' Google Ads? Well, first of all, it's totally ethical, totally legal, and can provide some serious benefits. Sparking your creativity. You can see what kind of ad copy, images, and calls to action your competitors are using, which might give you the inspiration you need to refresh your own campaigns to improve your own click-through rates and quality score. Next, uncover new opportunities. Are your competitors missing out on any key ad formats or strategies? That could be a chance to differentiate yourself and capture more attention. And third, benchmark your own efforts. How do your ads stack up against the competition? Are you using strong visuals, compelling headlines, and clear calls to action? Okay, let's talk about a step-by-step guide to checking the Google Ads library. First, you want to go to adstransparency.google.com. Next, don't just dive in too quickly. You can refine your search, filtering by country, date range, and ad formats to narrow your results. Next, my hot tip is to search by domain as a more reliable way to find your competitors rather than searching just by the name of their company. For example, search Nike.com, not simply Nike. Then you'll be able to see all the ads they're currently running across search, display, and video. And based on the ad creative you see and other indicators, you can infer the kind of targeting they're using. However, the key there is infer. Google's Ads Transparency Center won't actually tell you the kinds of targeting your competitors are using. It also won't tell you any budget information or profitability information because that's proprietary to their account. However, you can estimate this by seeing how many variations and formats they're running. More variations and more formats generally means more budget. And while the Ads Transparency Center won't tell you what keywords your competitors are advertising on, I've actually got a different trick to help you see that. All you have to do is use Google's Keyword Planner tool in Google Ads and start with your competitor's website rather than your own. Of course, since you can't see their budget or targeting, you also can't see things like clicks, impressions, or conversion rate. You can just see what an end user would see, the actual ads your competitors are running. So here are some more tips to help you get the most out of the Ads Transparency Center. First, think beyond your immediate competitors. Don't just limit yourself to the businesses you compete with directly. Check out companies in related industries or even in different cities to get a wider range of inspiration. For example, if you are an electrician in New York, check out how electricians advertise in Boston, in Chicago, or in LA. Next, really analyze the ad copy you see. Pay close attention to the language that's used, the benefits that are highlighted, and any calls to action. Look at the visuals. Are they high quality? What kind of style and tone are they conveying? Is your competitor using visual advertising at all? And finally, do you notice consistent messaging or any consistent ad formats? This can give you a clue into what's really working well for your competitors. Now that you know how to check on your competitors' ads on Google, it's time to put this into action. You want to continue to test new text, image, and video assets in your own Google Ads account based on what you learn so you can drive better results than the competition. To learn more Google Ads tips with the Google Pro, check out my course, Inside Google Ads, at learn.jill.ca. That's learn.jyll.ca.